A star product from Taikan every week. Today it's the horizontal CNC lathe, DL35. The DL35 features a high rigidity bed, providing stable support for turning operations. Its wide spindle speed range can be adapted to various processing requirements. The spindle and chuck are firmly connected, keeping parts stable and ensuring no shaking during processing, which lays the foundation for precision. The X and Z axes provide precise feeding and can quickly respond to commands, achieving accurate positioning. The ball screw and guide rail work together smoothly with high transmission efficiency, making turning feet movements stable and efficient. The DL35 is equipped with a horizontal tool rest, making tool changes quick and easy, which reduces auxiliary processing time. Equipped with a Siemens CNC system, the interface is clear and easy to use. The Heller CNC vertical lathe DL35, with its high rigidity, precise speed, and easy tool changes, is a top-tier vertical CNC lathe. For efficient cutting, this is the right choice.